Are you looking to start learning ServiceNow? The best way to practice and build your skills is by using a ServiceNow Developer Instance. A developer instance is a free, personal ServiceNow environment where you can safely learn, build applications, test features, and explore the platform without affecting a real production system. It's perfect for beginners, students, and professionals preparing for certifications or interviews.
So, let's go ahead and see how you can get your ServiceNow PDI to get your development instance. Go to developer.servicenow.com. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, you can create a new one. Once you're registered, enter your credentials and log in. This is the Developer Instance homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see a button called Request Instance. Click that button. A pop-up window will appear showing the last 3 versions. Select the version you want, then click Request. After you request the instance, it will take a few minutes to set up your instance. Once the instance is ready, you'll see a green button called Ready to Build. Click that button, and your developer instance will open. You can now start using it. There are key points you need to know before using your PDI. Point 1. To keep your PDI active, you must log in and use it regularly. If it remains inactive for 10 days, it will be reclaimed, and once reclaimed, it cannot be restored. Point 2. Each user can only have one active PDI at a time. If you need a new one, you must first release your existing one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.